Hey smartphone enthusiasts, today we're exploring the Vivo Y100 5G smartphone, a compact powerhouse with impressive features. Let's delve into what this device has to offer. The Vivo Y100 5G boasts a sleek and stylish design with a unique composite plastic sheet that is eye-catching. Its slim profile and smooth curves make it comfortable to hold and give it a premium feel. It also offers IP5X and IPX4 dust and water resistance. The Vivo Y100 5G sports a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 60 to 120 Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. Despite not having the highest resolution, its 1800 nits brightness ensures sharp visuals and vibrant colors, making it ideal for watching videos, browsing social media and gaming. It also features an in-display optical fingerprint sensor. Powered by a Snapdragon 685 processor with 8-core CPU, the Vivo Y100 5G doesn't disappoint. It offers storage options ranging from 8GB to 256GB and 8GB to 1TB RAM-ROM, LPDDR4X UFS 2.2, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. The Vivo Y100 5G is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera on the rear that captures sharp and detailed photos. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor enhances the shots, adding a beautiful effect to your images, and a flicker sensor to adjust shutter speed and ISO accordingly. For selfie lovers, the 8-megapixel front-facing camera delivers clear and vibrant self-portraits. The Vivo Y100 5G houses a 5000 mAh battery, providing all-day usage without any worries. With 80-watt fast charging, you can binge-watch your favorite shows without worrying about power. Running on Vivo's custom skin, Fun TouchOS 14, based on Android, the Vivo Y100 5G offers a user-friendly interface with numerous customization options. The Y100 supports dual SIM functionality and offers 5G LTE support for faster browsing, streaming, and downloading speeds. It also features a headphone jack, micro USB port, and Bluetooth 5.0 for enhanced connectivity options. The Vivo Y100 5G is available in 3 different variants, with an estimated price range of $59,999 to $79,999 PKR. The Vivo Y100 provides exceptional value for its features and performance. It can be purchased from authorized Vivo retailers and online platforms. In conclusion, the Vivo Y100 5G smartphone impresses with its stunning design, commendable performance, capable cameras, long-lasting battery, and user-friendly software. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this review helpful or want more smartphone reviews, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content. If you have any questions or want to see specific features in action, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, tech aficionados.